Cocktails from around the world. Around the world and yeah. I've been player hating. You know that song, Jason? Been around the world? It was a little bit, I think it was a little P. Diddy, little Mace. That's okay, because today we're gonna be making the most famous cocktails from around the world. The first one we're gonna start with is a little, no, not the gay lisp. We're gonna start with Hanky Panky. Like, get up, get off my man. Delicious drink that was invented by Ada Coleman way back in the day. It was served at the swanky Savoy Hotel in London. Very easy, anybody can make this. I'm gonna do a little Hendrick's gin, a little sweet vermouth, a little Fernet Branca, which is an Italian liqueur. Do like a little orange peel, a frosted martini glass. I mean, this is really like for champagne, but it's your business, do what you want. It'll be swanky. Somebody ice me. So you start with a little ice. My hands have been washed. 1.5 ounces of gin. 1.5 ounces of your sweet vermouth. Ooh. Equal parts for equal opportunity. 2 dashes of this. This is my small spoon. I'm always the big spoon. Hello. Now what you want to do, just take this and done. Get you every time. It smells like fresh mimosa. And that is a Hanky Panky. Oh, that's good. We ain't said nothing but a word. Here's how you make a Mai Tai. Now, I'm a truth teller, so truth be told, I'm used to drinking these out of a cute little pineapple, but I didn't really know what was in them. I just thought it was Jesus juice. But okay, that's all right. Okay. Let's go. Glass of choice. 1.5 ounces of your white rum.
Why is the rum always gone?
Did you hear that sound? Wow. 3/4 ounce of your fresh lime juice. 1/2 ounce of this. So you tell me how I pronounce this, because I have no idea.
I don't know.
I don't know her. I think this is a fancy thing for like coconut cream. You just tell me how you pronounce it, comment below. Then add your ice. I would say if you're an expert bartender,
I'm a professional.
you're probably gonna shake this up. I'm gonna use my lovely device here. Aloha Bahia Oi means hello, I love you in Hawaiian.
Hey, aloha, bauia, oi.
Now that's a Mai Tai. May not be in a pineapple, but got 2 for you right here. I'm gonna make you a sidecar. It's famous, it has like a century of history behind it. There's a little controversy, a little debate between like the English and the French. Like, you know, they both say it was invented for a customer that came into their bar that was in the sidecar of a motorcycle. Plausible, given that it's a century old, but we're not gonna worry about that here because we're not here to be in history class. We're here to drink and be cultured and take you around the world one sip at a time. So you need a little cognac, Cointreau, a little fresh lemon juice. You're gonna do a nice little orange peel, a little citrus, so that your sugar will stick to its rim, right?
You're right.
Ooh. 1.5 ounces of cognac. Equal parts lemon juice. Shaken, not stirred.
Shaken, not stirred.
The only room prettier than that is, well, I'll leave it there.
What did he say?
This is gonna be my lovely little orange peel. A sidecar for your side bitch.
This one is there.
She has a side bitch.
That was pretty good.
That's not too shabby. Holy sh**. Today, we are making a French 75. It's not my age or my background or where I'm from. Oh, but it's what I drink every summer with Joshua when we go to the south of France, because we're bougie sometimes. Little bougetto, bougie ghetto. Anyways, let's go. You need a bottle of champagne of your choice. Get whatever you can afford. A little gin, because basically what this is kind of like a mimosa on steroids with a little bit of je ne sais quoi. You know what I mean? Simple syrup, fresh lemon juice, and then you're gonna do like you're gonna finish it off with a little lemon twist. You're gonna thank me later. 1 ounce of gin.
Gin, please.
Thank you very much. 1/2 ounce of your simple syrup and lemon juice. You wanna mix this up a little bit.
That's good. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's, all right, that's good. Okay, that's good. It's enough!
1 for the homies. 3 ounces of your champagne of choice. Now, don't shake this up. You crazy if you shake this up. You finish off with, it's basically a mimosa on steroids.
This is me after 7 mimosas.
To rub it around the rim. Boop. It's a French 75, bro. Love it. Comment below on what you want next, and let me just take you on this journey, you know, around the world, 1 sip at a time. Love you mucho. That's good.